In each of the following figures, AB is parallel to CD. Find the value of x in each case. Here, three figures are given. Okay, AB is parallel to CD and some angles are given and asking to find out x value. Okay. So, in the first figure, AB is parallel to CD. Okay. And one angle is 104 degrees and one angle is 116 degrees. And at E, angle is x. So, we need to find the x value. Okay. So, for this one, we have to draw to find the x value, we have to draw a parallel line which must be parallel to AB and also CD line. So, let us draw a line which is parallel to AB and CD, that is from E. Through E, we will draw a line. Okay. So, that means the angle x is divided into two angles. Okay. So, angle x is divided into two angles here. So, through E, we have drawn a line parallel to AB and CD also. Suppose we will take some name EM. Okay. So, now we can say EM is parallel to AB and also EM is parallel to CD. So, whenever these two are parallel, then this is the transversal line. Is it? It's the transversal line. Then these two are the angles, are interior angles of same side of the transversal. Their summation, they are supplementary to each other. That is, the summation is equal to 180 degrees. This is 104 degrees. Okay. And this x angle is divided into two equal angles. No, that's why I will give one name for this one, 1 and 2 angles. So, this is angle 1. Okay. So interior angles of same side of transversal are supplementary to each other. Therefore, we can say 104 degrees plus angle 1, which is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Then angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 104, which is equal to 10 minus 4, 6. Here 7 is there, 76 degrees. So, here one angle is here 76 degrees we got it. And then another angle, x is divided into two angles, no? So, now angle 2. So, angle 2 here also this is same side of the transversal, which are interior angles. Okay. Again, angle 2 plus 116 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. These two are also supplementary. Okay. So, angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 116. 1. So, angle 2 is equal to 10 minus 6, 4. 7 minus 1, 6. 64 degrees. Then, angle x is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2 degrees. So, then angle 1 is 76 degrees plus angle 2 is 64. So, 76 plus 64, 130, 140 degrees. So, here is the angle is, total angle is, here one is 76 degrees, one is 64 degrees and the total angle is 140 degrees. This is the method of finding. And the second one, here in this figure, again also here to find out the x value, we have to draw a line through E to the parallel to the AB and CD. So, let us draw a line. Okay. Suppose EN is the line. So, we can say EN is parallel to AB and EN is parallel to CD. Okay. And now, these are the angles, alternate interior angles. These are the parallel lines, means this is called the transversal line and these are called the alternate interior angles. Now, again I am giving angle 1 and this is angle 2. So, angle 1 plus alternate interior angles are equal. So, angle 1 is equal to 35 degrees. And then this is also alternate interior angles. Therefore, angle 2 is equal to 65 degrees. Then total angle x is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2, which is equal to 35 plus 65. So 90, 100 degrees. So here this angle is 100 degrees. Sorry, here angle is 100 degrees. Okay. And then here in the third figure, AB is parallel to CD and angle X is formed at the point M. So again here also we have to draw a line parallel to AB and CD. Okay. Now again X is divided into two angles, angle 1 and angle 2 will take. And again these are the interior angles of same side of the transversal line. So then we can say it is 35 degrees plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degrees. They are supplementary. Interior angles of same side of transversal is summation is equal to 180 degrees. No? So then angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 35 degrees. So angle 1 is equal to 10 minus 5, 5, 7 minus 3, 45. 145 degrees. No? 145 degrees. Next, angle 2. Angle 2 plus 75 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 75. So that is nothing but 105 degrees. So X is equal to angle 1 plus 2. So 145 plus 105 degrees. So it is 10 plus 5 and 2. 250 degrees. 250 degrees is nothing but a reflex angle. Okay.